go, let's go. Monkey Z, what you got? People's Republic of China in the building.
Yo, that was nice.
Let's go.
But I can't find peace of mind, what they say.
Yo, that's insane right there.
Flowing right now, we flowing.
What a
Australia,
round.
make some noise! What you got, BENMX? What you got? Here we go!
Yo!
Here we go!
Yo!
Following me.
Nice one. Let's go round two.
Round two. Round two. Let's go! Alright, BENMX, show 'em, boy. What you got, my man? What you got? Let him know how we do down under. Woo!
Yo! Oh yeah!
My man! Brisbane,
Nice
give it
one, nice
up.
one.
Brisbane, make some noise!
Yeah! Yo, before we find out the result, the same I want to say about these two. They're also young, they're hungry, they're fresh. There's a future right here. People's Republic of China represented by Monkey Z. But most of all, I want you to be a big applause to BENMX representing Australia at high level worldwide. Thank you. Now, my man.
All right, let's do it all together. I want everyone together. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Winner is
Monkey Z!